Welcome to ACM classes, CAT 2025 LRDI slot 3, puzzle number 5, the last puzzle. Again, it was on XY plane, XY axis. Let's go ahead and look at this puzzle. Now this puzzle says that there are four people who are participating in a particular puzzle. Let's name them A, C, K and S. They are participating in a puzzle solving competition. The competition comprised 10 puzzles in total that has to be solved in same sequence. That is, the competitor got access to a puzzle as soon as they solved the previous puzzle, so there's no lapse time in between. Some of the puzzles were visual puzzles, so some of them are visual one, and others were number based puzzles. So there are two kind of puzzles one gonna get. The winner of the competition was the one who solved all the puzzles in the least time. So the winner gonna be the least time we're gonna spend. The following charts describe the process in their progress in the competition. The chart on the left shows the number of puzzles solved by each competitor at a given time in minutes after the start of the competition. The chart on the right shows the number of visual puzzles. Okay, so let's just see both these puzzles. We just need to expand it a bit because okay, let's see. So these are the two puzzles which we have, two graphs I mean. Okay, let's see if we can increase the size. Okay, this is better. Okay, this is better now. Let's see. Now the first question, let's see what is the question. The first question says, who has solved the largest number of puzzles by the 20th minute from the start of the competition? Now let's see the puzzle, let's understand this also. On the left puzzle we have graph, we have been given all puzzles with the number of puzzles solved in total. They are on the y-axis, so the numbers are increasing here, and the time in minutes, that is on the x-axis, that is increasing like this. So for Anirbid A we have the red line, for C we have the yellow, for K we have the green, and for S we have the blue line. Now who solved the puzzle at the 20th minute? Now the 20th minute, that is the x-axis. The y-axis, for whichever player is going to be having the maximum value, that means the number of puzzles solved are maximum. Now if I look at the 20th minute, we can see this person with the green line, he has solved 7 puzzles. He is solving 8th, and rest all of the other players, they are below it. That means it is nobody else but the green line, which is for Koushik. So Koushik G K has solved the maximum number of puzzles in the least time. So that should be my answer. So that is the answer here. Let's look at the next question. We need to see the graph and the question. How many minutes did Suranjan take to solve the third visual puzzle? Now we have to identify which is the third visual puzzle because they all have the same puzzles 1 to 10. So let's see at the graph on the right hand side. The first visual puzzle, if we check this person, the green one, the Koushik, he solved the first puzzle in 2 minutes. This is 10 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 rectangles for that, so every rectangle going to have 2, any sub parts going to have 2 minutes. So at 2 minutes green has already cleared the first visual puzzle, and here if I check the green line, he also covered it in the 2 minutes. That means the first puzzle we have, that is a visual puzzle. Now let's just take the green one only. The second green line we can see here, okay, here. So the second puzzle he solved at the end of 12th minute. Now at the end of 12th minute, which puzzle green has solved? It was the fourth puzzle, puzzle number 4. That means puzzle number 4 was also a visual puzzle. Now if we go ahead for the green, the next puzzle he solved at the end of 25 minute. The third puzzle, 25th minute. So at the end of 25th minute, green has solved the puzzle number 8. So that means 8th puzzle is also a visual one. And the last puzzle, the green one had the 4th, because there's nothing here. So there are only 4 visual puzzles, that means. So he solved this at the end of 29th minute. So at the end of 29th minute, the green has solved the 9th puzzle. That means 9th puzzle is also a visual one. And there is no 5th puzzle here because the lines are ending up here only. There are 4 visual puzzles. The third visual puzzle is 8th. Now the question says for Suranjan. Now Suranjan, how many minutes did Suranjan take to solve the third visual puzzle? That is puzzle number 8. Suranjan is in blue. So 8th puzzle, the 7th puzzle, he was here. He solved the 7th puzzle at the end of 26 minutes, and he solved the next 8th puzzle in just 2 minutes at the end of 28 minutes. So that means it took only 2 minutes. That is the answer here, 2 minutes. So quite easy. So it was done. Let's look at the next question now we have. At what number in the sequence of the 4th number based puzzle we have? Now the 4th number based puzzle, in the previous question we find out which puzzles were the visual ones. So the first visual is 1, second is 4th, third is 8th, and 4th is 9th. So number based puzzle, the first number based puzzle was 2, second was 3, third was 5th, and 4th number based puzzle was 6. So this should be the answer I should have. The 6th puzzle, puzzle number 6. The 4th number based puzzle. So that is the 6th. So that is the answer there. Another question we have. Yes, we have. It says, which of the following is the closest to the average time taken by A to solve the number based puzzles in the competition? So we have to see the 6 number based puzzles in total which they have, how much time he took, who and Anirbid, A. So let's go back where we marked, so that will save us time. Here it is. So Anirbid, that the red line, let's see how much time he gonna take. So out of total time, Anirbid has taken total 37 minutes here if I see. So 37 minutes he has taken. Now let's subtract the time taken on the visual puzzles. The first was the visual puzzle. He took the red line, it went till here. So first puzzle took 4, then the next visual puzzle is 4th. So from here he went till here. So he took 3 minutes here, and he reached to the he solved 4th puzzle after that. Then the 8th puzzle, 7th he was here, and 6th he was here. We know, okay, we need to know the 8th puzzle. So 7th he was here, here. Let's rub the other ones. So at the 7th puzzle he was here. He took only 2 minutes from 7th puzzle to he rose to 8th puzzle. So he took only 2 minutes here. And the last puzzle, that was 9th. So after 8th, when he was here, he took another 5 minutes till here, and he rose to ninth. He completed ninth, I mean. So that means this is minus 5. So total comes out to be 37 minus 4, 33 minus 3, 30. 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 9 and 5. 14. So 37 minus 14, 23. 23 by 6, that comes out to be, oh, just a moment. Here it is not 5, it is 4. He started from here, center, he went till here. So 2 and 1, 4, sorry. So this is 4. So he got total time remaining 24. 6 puzzles. 6 into 4, 24. That means he took 4 minutes. So that is the answer here. He took 4 minutes. After this you have Quant. So we'll come up with the Quant videos after this. I hope you guys understood this puzzle. Quite easy, straightforward we had. So wish you luck for the next year exam also. This is the last puzzle of CAT 2025 LRDI slot 3 we had. Hope you guys must have understood everything. Any doubts you guys have, you may write that for that in our comment section. I'll be glad to help you out, and do subscribe us, like, so we can help you out with more puzzles. Keep watching. Thank you so much.